Spy Ninjas, I got a message from Project Zorgo, and a bunch of you guys decoded it. All the Project Zorgo symbols decoded to 1029, so let's try it on the safe right now.
We gotta open up this safe so we can defeat Project Zorgo forever. 1029?
Incorrect. The keypad is now disabled for 24 hours. Chad Wildclay.
How did I know your name?
How'd they know it was me that pressed it?
It's probably just a prank chat. Project Zorgo probably just gave us fake numbers to waste our try.
Yeah, because we only get one try per day.
Project Zorgo's just a bunch of buffoons, if you ask me.
No, Daniel, you're the buffoon.
It just said buffoon back to you.
How did it hear you?
What the heck?
Oh gosh, there's definitely a camera on the safe. I have an idea.
Where are you going?
I need to figure something out. I'll be back.
Oh no.
Daniel, wait, does he
Her hair. Remember, she promised to show us inside of her room here in 31 days, and it's down to 25 days now. I can't wait to get in there.
See what's inside finally.
Okay.
Oh, she's back.
Whoa. Hey. Wow. I thought this is a Harry Potter blanket.
It can't see us now. It's an invisible cloak.
Cool.
I'm just kidding. It's just a blanket.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down right over here. Project Zorgo can no longer see us because we're covering up the camera on the safe.
Don't you know we're always watching?
Yeah, you're not watching anymore because you're covered up now.
Let's go over here.
Over here. Whoa. Where'd you go?
I didn't know you stopped.
Okay, be careful, I've got a ninja gadget in my hands here.
Wait, Chad.
They might still be able to hear us, so I need to smash it for good.
Put down the sledgehammer, Chad. Do you really want me to
How
self-destruct?
does it know I have a sledgehammer?
What the heck?
It's completely covered.
How does it see us? How the heck is it seeing us right now? It doesn't make any sense. We got the safe completely covered up.
Well, we do have security cameras in here, but there's no way the hackers could hack through it. They're very secure.
Oh, security cameras. When I was pretending to be a Project Zorgo member, they made me install security cameras in here.
What?
I tricked Project Zorgo by putting a VID on them, so don't even battle royale me right now. You guys don't even
Oh, visual imitation device. It's like a device that makes the camera see something else.
Exactly, I was tricking Project Zorgo that it was a live feed, but it was just actually you guys doing nothing. Do they hack into it?
Yes, remember when me and Chad used the VID? Project Zorgo hacked into it when we were doing the floss.
Well, Project Zorgo must have hacked their way past those VID devices because obviously they can see everything we're doing right now.
I only put 2 cameras in here. One is over there by the sink. And then one's way over there, right outside of the bathroom door.
I see it right there.
So just act like supernatural when you guys are near the cameras, okay?
I know exactly what to say. Oh yeah, hey guys, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom right now. Make it really smelly in there. I hope nobody's watching. Spy Ninjas, come here. They're not gonna spy on us in the bathroom because that would be just gross.
I'm gonna go back to Project Zorgo headquarters and deactivate all the cameras.
By yourself?
I'm a brave spy ninja. Very strong, not very big.
Good luck, V.
Bye, guys. Let's go! There's the Black Pyramid. Let's go inside. I made it into Project Zorgo's basement. That blue desk over here. This is the guy with the security camera to the spy ninja house. So I'm gonna set you down, see if I can hack into this computer. I think Regina does this. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. What do you know? It worked! Safe house, spy ninja safe house. Here it is. There they are. Okay, so they're supposed to be acting natural, but none of this is natural. What are they doing?
Good job, Chad. Thanks, Daniel. Really nice. Aren't I great?
What is Chad doing? Is he holding a mop? Like he knows how to clean. Like nobody there knows how to clean. I have to do everything. Regina, what is she doing? That was supposed to be a ninja move. Okay guys, let me disable the cameras. Camera number 2. Disable. Oh, someone's coming in! Oh gosh, I gotta hide. I'm under the table right now. I don't know who's coming in.
What in the world is that horrible noise?
It's just 314. I recognize those suspenders.
Oh my gosh! It's coming from this portable computer station.
A portable computer station? How old is this guy? 97?
Let me see if I can fiddle around with the old keys here. Nothing seems to be working. Man, it's these darn Macintoshes. I don't know why Project Zorgo insists on using Macintosh when Windows 95 works exceptionally well.
Windows 95? What even is that? I know this guy. He just goes on and on forever. Once he sits down, he's just gonna start doing all his pens and paperwork. So I need to get a plan to get out of here. Let's see what I have in my Spy Ninja backpack right here. Got a pen. Let me just distract him with this.
all flummery. These were alphabetized and everything. Now it's all in shambles. Where'd my writing utensil go to? Under the table, perchance? Let's see. Gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, I can't see a darn thing. What is this? Tablecloth. Who are you? What are you doing here? Qwaint.
I'm just training, practicing hiding in small places. I'm a small Project Zorgo member.
I'm gonna inform the leader of your wrongdoings, Qwaint. Yes, I am.
Hold on, wait. No, PZ9, you don't have to tell the leader. I'm gonna leave right now.
I'm gonna tell him everything, Qwaint.
No, please don't.
He needs to know that you are breaking Rule 27A in the Project Zorgo Terms of Service. A Project Zorgo member must always wear their proper attire.
Oh, my uniform. I'm not in the Project Zorgo uniform. I'm sorry, PZ14. This is your desk, right?
Why, yes, it is. There's my name right there displayed on the table.
There's no computer on your desk.
I don't believe in computers. All my computer skills are right up here in the old cranium. Like I always say, I'm more of a pen and paper guy.
Don't go on the internet, like, ever. Especially YouTube.
Well, yeah, if you say so.
Do you need help filing your paperwork, 314?
Oh, no, I'm very good. I'm very particular on who touches my items.
PZ314, I've always had this question that nobody happens to know the answer to. Can you let me know what is this?
Oh, well, this is a compass.
A what?
A compass.
Oh, like to tell directions? Like north?
No. That's a very common mistake that people get all the time. It's actually used to create circles. It seems to be missing a very vital part. The pencil.
Can you please show me how to use it?
Of course. Just give me a second.
Okay.
We'll go find a pencil and I'll be right back at you.
That's great.
Here it is, Qwaint.
Oh!
I'm glad you're very interested in how to use a compass.
I love learning.
See, you simply slip the pencil in there like so, and then you hold on to this right here, and you make a perfect circle.
That's great. You know what?
Let me show you.
I have a job to do. I'm gonna go.
Please let me show you how to make.
Oh, okay. Thanks. All right, guys, I'm back at the safe house.
Oh, me! How'd it go? So did you take care of the cameras, V?
Everything is taken care of. Everything should be disabled. We're safe now.
Wait, let's just try it out.
Yes.
Let's go by the security cameras. Let's do something suspicious. See if the safe talks to us.
Hey guys, you know what I think of Project Zorgo?
What?
They're a bunch of doofuses. The safe's not talking.
That mean it worked.
Great work, V! Yeah!
Wow, is that the Project Zorgo headquarters?
Yes.
I discover a really crazy file. It says Spy Ninjas on it. Yeah, guys, I actually don't know what's in here, but we should open it right now. There's a manila folder inside of this folder.
Whoa.
It looks like a map of some sort.
Yeah, there's a bunch of X's, dotted lines.
But what does that mean? It says Spy Ninjas. There's 4 spots. There's 4 of us. Do you think this is like the 4th safe house or something? Oh, it could be like treasure.
Yeah.
Some gold. I want to find out what it is. Come on.
Go. Before we go, I'm hot. I'm taking this shirt off.
Oh, okay.
I'm kind of cold. I'm going to put this on. I think we're getting very close.
Hey, we've never been here before. Why would they hide stuff here?
Oh, move back.
There must be something buried right underneath where he's standing.
What's that? Training's in 1 minute? All right, I'll be there.
He said training is in 1 minute.
Maybe we should go follow that hacker.
Be very quiet. We can't let him know we're following him.
He's still there. He's right there. Oh, they're there.
Whoa, careful, PZ2. Welcome, everybody, to Project Zorgo Battle Royale Training, hosted by yours truly, PZ9, the best combat specialist.
PZ9 is training in the other hackers.
Oh, guys, this is a problem. The hackers we've been fighting, they're not really good. But now maybe they will be.
Imagine if we had to face like 5 or 6 PZ9 quality fighters.
It is a bad thing that PC9's memory's gone because he used to hate Project Zorgo. Now he thinks he likes him.
The first thing I'm gonna have all of you practice is your Battle Royale skills. And you will practice on Chad.
That's my face on the pillow.
They're pretending he's fighting you, Chad.
Who wants to go first?
I guess PZ2 can go.
PZ2 PZ2's gonna fight me? I'm too tall for him. He'll never be able to reach my face.
He's gonna fight like your niece.
Chad is the tallest spy ninja, so let's see what you can do.
It's not working too well. He can't reach
He
you.
can't reach. I'm not too worried anymore.
We'll pick you up.
That was an impressive show of teamwork.
Oh, dang. He got some airtime on that.
Remember when they did that to UV? You were fighting, 2 hackers lifted PZ9 up and he flew right into you?
That's a pretty good move. PZ2's gonna get better and better at fighting, and he's actually gonna be a threat.
Oh, good job, PZ2. You will also have the chance to practice against Qwaint.
I got this one. Back up.
That's me now! They should pick out someone their own size.
Now V is also the shortest spy ninja. I think she's about this tall.
That's a good one.
Smash!
He just squashed you. He got you good.
Okay, you're up next, 715.
Go 715. Okay, I'm ready. Watch this now.
Wait, which hacker is this one now? He's pretty tall.
That's 715. He's the one that I got stuck in the elevator with.
Yeah, the Wisconsin guy, the guy that I went undercover as.
He's pretty good.
The cheese must have helped.
Cheese does have a lot of protein, builds those muscles.
Okay, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, I got him good, didn't I, guys?
Burnface and 715's kicks weren't too bad.
Man, with some more practice, they're probably gonna be really good.
Hey, fools, why don't you give it a try?
Oh, okay.
PZ Foof is now gonna train. I've never seen that guy fight, ever.
I'm from Germany, therefore I don't know how to do this.
I don't think he's even from Germany. I think he doesn't sound German.
Yeah, come on, Toomph.
It's fun.
Doomph.
Okay, here I go, guys. She's so tiny, I could beat her.
Don't hug me. Go get him. Oh.
Okay, watch this.
No, you're not a rhino.
It takes big brains to headbutt with that much power.
Brains, yeah.
How come Daniel and Regina doesn't have their faces on the pillow? It's just me and you.
That's not fair. They should be punching your face, too.
Yeah.
I guess we're the best. I don't know.
PZ9 probably doesn't even remember you guys. He lost his memory.
In PZ9's mind, I wasn't a spy ninja yet, and neither was Regina.
That's true. Project Zorgo probably doesn't want PZ9 to remember who me and Daniel are. It might jog his memory or something.
Well, your guys' performance was very underwhelming.
714, you suck.
I didn't do too bad.
I tried.
Okay, you losers, I want to see what you guys can do for kicks. All right, let's try a roundhouse. Ah!
Look at that guy. He can barely kick.
Roundhouse.
No, that's not how it's supposed to go.
More like groundhouse.
What kind of kick was that?
He forgot how to fight too then. He must erase his memory.
He forgot all this training.
A year ago, he wasn't as good.
I don't think we need to worry anymore about this fighting anymore, guys.
It's really slippery. There's a lot of dead leaves here. All right, that's not supposed to go. It's like this. Spinning roundhouse. There we go. Now you guys go.
No problem.
Yeah, easy peasy.
Whoa. Ah! Okay, standard, subpar. PZ2, PZ Foompt.
Come on, PZ2, come on. Are you ready?
Let's see it.
Oh, good? No good.
Not the best. An important part of battle royales is not to only just be good with your kicks and punches, but to be able to also use your words. You gotta learn how to roast.
PZ9's gonna teach them how to roast people?
Gosh, why is he so mean? Why do you need to teach that? I mean, I understand fighting, but being mean?
That's bullying.
Yeah.
Hey, PZ9, is that a fanny pack? What is it, 1996 over here?
No, it's 2018.
I don't know about that.
2018.
That's last year. He lost a whole year worth of memory?
Remember last year, he always wore the fanny pack, too.
A year ago, we hadn't even met PZ9 yet.
All right, Burnface, let's see what you've got.
Burnface. I'll teach you how to burn something, you skullface.
Sure, whatever, Burnface.
I'm good.
Considering how much experience Burnface has with fire, he sure isn't good at roasting.
Okay, BZ2.
You can't talk. He says you smell like butt. PZ2's the best roaster. He's the best roaster.
Y'all should take a note out of PZ2's book.
High five, PZ2.
He wrote a book?
What did you just say? PZ9 smells like
Poop.
Doo-doo.
PZ2's the best roaster and he can't even talk.
All right, PZ Pump, you're next.
PZ9, remember when you failed VidCon?
What? What are you talking about?
Boom, why'd you say that?
I forgot, sorry. I forgot.
He's gonna remember.
What is going on with PZ9? Why is he freaking out like that?
Did it trigger his memory? Is his memory coming back? This is really good because PZ9 is gonna remember that he hates Project Zorgo.
Yeah, maybe he'll beat up all those hackers.
Yeah, and they'll never learn how to get stronger.
And we got front row seats to the spectacle.
Yes. Beat 'em
Where's
up,
the
PZ9.
popcorn?
Their plan is failing.
The YouTube algorithm source code? My YouTube channel. It's all coming back to me. I hate Project Zorgo. I hate all of you.